Is this the trail?
I can't do this.
Oh, this is so much fun. This hike certainly seeks your spirit.
Hello
Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going on a Spirit Falls hike. This is one of the coolest hikes because you get to see blue or turquoise color waterfalls. It's one of the short hikes, so it's 0.8 mile with a relatively steep elevation gain, 500 feet in that 0.4 mile up and 0.4 mile down. So we'll have to see. It sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, so looking forward to it. Let's get started.
So we just came in 50 feet in, and I don't see like a proper trail ahead. I just see people going, and that's why I thought, is this the trail? Oh man, this is gonna be fun. What do you think?
I can't do this.
Oh, this is so much fun. So majority of this path or the trail is filled with these kind of rocks. So it's good to have hard soles on your hiking shoes or boots. But the view from the up top is pretty, it's really pretty already. I'm guessing it's going to be even more pretty as we go down. So the fun thing about this trail is that you encounter the descent first, and then you have the ascent from the falls. But it's important to have a steady ground here on this trail. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Okay, another steep part. Wow, so this part of the trail is a little tricky, and you have got to be really careful here, because as you approach the dry region, it gets a little tricky around here. And you can see Sonia is a little struggling there because that part is very slippery. Slow and steady wins the race. Trees are our hiking posts on this trail actually. At least this part of the trail for sure. It already feels like we've done like half a mile or so, but we haven't.
Imagine what will happen when you go up this route.
But I've seen families with kids do this trail. What's the problem? Oh, that is the problem, huh? The good thing is that the rocks are steady. Yep. Now, the muddy part.
He made it. I need to go down now.
Yes, nice and easy. Wow, this trail is a lot difficult than I thought it would be. Especially because there's loose gravel and there's high chance that you'll slip. And there's very little room for you to keep your foot steady. So as you can see, Sonia is trying hard to get her there. And I have my worst shoes for hiking. I'm doing this because my hiking shoes are a little too narrow at the tip, and that's why I can feel a pain because I recently hurt my toe. Oh dear. What are we expecting here? I'm gonna rush through this, hopefully without falling. Although that's not the right thing to do. Okay. Not too bad so far.
Man, this is steep.
That was easy.
Yes.
Probably the easiest part of this trail. I think we may have passed the worst part. Okay, I can hear the falls, and I assume we are pretty close. There it is. You can see the falls. This hike certainly seeks your spirit. Oh my god, I can see the view from here. It's gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is the only word I can use for now. Can you spot Sonia? She's right over there. What was the experience of the Spirit Falls hike so far?
Awesome. So
I mean,
good.
the views are amazing, right?
Yeah, but I wanted to go in the water. I thought I'll be able to dip my feet or something.
Yeah, so the funny part is I actually went a little ahead, which is basically going around here and then going to that location. So if you can go up to there, you can actually touch the water. It's not too far away. It's probably like 0.1 mile or even less than that. But it's totally worth it. The views are amazing, even from here or from there.
And you feel the breeze?
Yeah, I can over there.
You stand here for like 5 minutes or so.
Yeah, maybe if you go down, somewhere down there, maybe you can feel more. Time to do the uphill task.
Yes.
Time to wash some hands. Gets a little dirty. No, not like today. Here comes the tough part. How are you feeling now?
Exhausted already.
Exhausted, yeah. Look at this. I'm keeping my camera flat so you can see how the elevation goes. I would say it's about 45 degrees at least. In fact, a few parts are like 60-70 degrees as well. Ready for nailing it?
Yeah, I'll try my best.
Of course you will. Ah, so guys, this part of the trail is way too slippery than the rest of the parts. We just saw one of the guys slip through the mud here. So yes, just reminding you, be careful. Oh, Sonia is surprisingly upbeat on the uphill hike.
because I get some passive recovery in between.
It's a good idea to carry hiking poles.
I heard somebody say this hike is a good kickstart for her gym in the evening. I'm like, this is my gym for the month.
This was the part that you were scared about.
Yeah.
Right? We'll see how you find it out this time.
Wrap up. Doesn't look scary from here. Made it.
How-
Can't feel my legs, but we made it. Gear time.
I know. So the climb wasn't that bad, right? The
Yeah.
descent was the bad part.
Descent was the
It
bad.
always is, I think.
And I have vertigo, so I just got so terrified looking down at the first step. I'm like, what the hell? But I did it! Yay!
So all in all, it was a perfect hike. You should definitely try it out. I'm so glad we learned about this hike recently and we did it finally.
And subscribe to Forever Hum if you haven't already.
Yes.
Give
Like-
us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, press the bell icon, do all the good stuff for us.
Yep. The good dates.
Yes, because we bring all the good stuff for you.
And keep watching for our See ya.